The text formula converts values into a format of your choice. The formula works as follows: equal text, open brackets, text value, comma, format text, close brackets, where the value is the cell reference that you want to convert, and format text is the format code that you want to convert the value into. The format text entry must be entered between quotation marks. The difference between using a zero or hashtag in the formula is that the hashtag sign acts as a placeholder for digits that only appear if they exist. This is why in examples 3 and 4, the result does not show two decimal places. Therefore, you can combine the use of hashtags and zeros as shown in example 5 to show two decimal places. Amounts can be converted into a variety of number formats as well as percentages. For converting an amount into a currency, an alternative option to the text function is the dollar function. This function automatically adds a dollar symbol and 1,000 separators. The dollar function works as follows: equals dollar, open brackets, number, comma, decimals, close brackets, where the number is the cell reference that you want to convert, and decimals is how many decimal places you want to be displayed. If the decimals is omitted, then the formula will automatically show two decimal places. This formula will also round the amount to the number of decimal places entered.